Two, one, one, two. Cool, Leo. All right, everybody. Can everybody hear me? Two, one, one, two. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're fucking good. Oh boy. Have a look at this. Markets are just markets are just it's going to be a good short opportunity here on either the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the Dow. Again, 10-minute chart. Let's see if we can find an entry here. The 1 minute on the S&P 500, the S&P 500. Now on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is going to be the one that I'm going to trade. All right, everybody. How the fuck are you? Good morning, team. Good morning, James. Good morning, Jerry. Rahima, gold might be down. Good morning, mate. We'll see. We'll see. I am happy. I'm gonna talk about this one, right? This is a pattern, right, that I trade in gold. Well, not in gold, but in all the haze, and then all right, I'm gonna record the video for my VIPs. Why don't you hear me out? If it makes sense to you, you might. I mean, you're more than welcome to join me on this one. There you fucking go. This is the 3 minute chart in gold. Right there, very nice imbalanced village. And there's a couple of things that I dig about this gold setup, right? Not only that one, but this OB right here, this order block, right? So, couple of things happen here in gold. Uh, a couple of things happen here in gold. The main reason why I'm going long, right? So this is an imbalance, and this is my demand zone, right? Here you go. Let's go to a 5 minute chart just to pinpoint it correctly. Yep, that is the one. All right, so here it is, right? I'm going to record this for my VIPs, and then you can tell me what you think about this possible setup in gold. I'm already long, right? Um, start recording. Hello traders, how are you? I'm going to talk about this possible gold long that, well, not possible gold long because I'm already long, right, that I'm currently in. What I think about this setup is this, right? I was waiting for a long opportunity here after the break of the Asian session highs, right? That is the bullish breaker that I was waiting for. Again, I wasn't planning on getting long at those dips. These people got fucked already. Liquidity, meaning got uh, stripped. Then we got the deep buyers at the break of the London highs that got fucked also, meaning that liquidity got stripped. And then we have the last part of that liquidity getting stripped, just as price filled that imbalance and hit the demand zone that created that bullish breaker. Now, what I think also about this is that we got the last strip of the highs on the lows right here, meaning um, that right here, that break of the structure is actually the change in the character in this market. So I am pretty confident on that gold long. Remember, this is a probabilities game, so I got long here. Right, my stop losses are all the way below the Asian session lows, targeting the highs of the move right here, the 1909 or so. Yep, right here for a 3R trade. Um, and possibly when a price hits this liquidity right here, and if it does, I will be taking off some and then just letting the rest of it ride for a break of the 1910. So that's the thought process behind my gold longs, guys. And if you are interested in learning more on how I do things, well, that's basically what I look for. You know, people getting screwed. Um, this is a very strong low. Also, I missed the short side in this market, right? I missed the short side. Hello. Been two good days with fat profit. Awesome, awesome. Hello. What's the best time frame to look at chart for entry? 50 minute, um, 5 minute, 50 minute, 1 hour. Hi, Shana. So, myself, I look at the 3 minute chart for my entries. I've come to find out that those are the cleanest entries that I could look for. And but you know, the 5 minute chart. To me, the 5 minute chart is um, just to. I mean, it is very good. The 5 minute chart, for example, here. I could have placed a buy limit just in the middle of my imbalance right here because we do have an imbalance on the 5 minute chart, right? Uh, um, right here and here. I'm always struggling to put those imbalances. So I could have placed my buy limits at the middle of my imbalance right here, which is why I wanted to do what I should have done, right, to get a much better risk to reward ratio, right? But when I turned on my computer, this 5 minute candle already printed. So I decided just to go long at market, right? Not to miss the move. But my real entry would have been this. Oh boy. For a 6.29 R. So just have a look at how those risk to reward ratio changes from a couple of pips difference in entries. It's amazing, right? So to me, mate, the 5 minute. This is a clear setup for me. Long, uh, that liquidity getting, yeah, I don't know. But you know what? 3 5 minute chart to me is pretty much the same. So we're gonna keep that 5 minute chart here. And I am looking for a Nasdaq trade, right? Sri Lanka in the fucking house. How are you, man? Right. Let's have a look at this the Nasdaq. Right. This is super bearish. Again, oh, I wanted to show you the downside in gold that I missed because I didn't trade the London session today, right? So basically, on the 3 minute, and this is why I like the 3 minute chart, right? We got the bearish breaker here. Here we have that bearish breaker, right? I'm gonna use a line. Bearish breaker here, bearish breaker here. Then we got these people getting fucked, right? And we got that imbalance all the way here. This is the imbalance that I would have traded. And short position at the, yeah, something like this, of course, and targeting that imbalance for a 4R. That's the trade that I missed on because I didn't trade the long session, right? But I'm pretty happy with this one. Ooh, very bad bearish candle. That's fine. All right, so US30. Now have a look at this. This is another example of good manipulation and how you can use manipulation in your favor. Right here, as you can see, um, during the London session, right here, the Asian sessions highs were being tested, right? Yeah, I don't. It's sad. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a very strongly political. I don't do political in my show. I'm sorry. Um, yeah, I can more power to you. I can say them. Stuff. What's going on there? So we got that. Yeah, the test of the Asian session highs, then the spike high, right? I'm doing very good this week with the VIP group, man. Very good. Thank you, mate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, you're welcome. Yeah. And this is the thing, guys. This is the thing. Where in the world? All right, so this is the thing. We got that manipulation, right? That spike above the Asian session highs. This works with any market, right? Any market, right? The Asian session range right here. Then we got the manipulation. Boom, trapping people on the wrong side of the market, meaning breakout traders got fucked right here, and their stop loss got hit, of course, and trapping people on the wrong side of the market before the move. Now, this has been a very, very strong, clear move to the downside. Here's the bearish breaker, and here's that entry again, short, right? Now, uh, now that the London session lows have been broken with, I'm going to look for an entry, and we have all of this as a an imbalance right now. All of this as an imbalance. So let's look for that. Gold. It's looking good still. I mean, gold is going to range until the market opens, and remember that that my entry was late, um, because of what I explained to you. But you know what? That's my trade. So, I mean, it's up to you if you want to follow or not, right? I'm not putting a pistol in your head. Now, what I'm looking at here is freaking uh, the 5 minute, uh, the 1 minute. I'm gonna look at the 3 minute chart for my entry, right? That's the 3 minute imbalance right there. Look at this. Look at this. 3 minute imbalance right here. And we got that OB, that order block right here. So this is the supply zone. Supply zone. On the 3 minute chart. That's right. That's the supply zone on the 3 minute chart. That's my imbalance right here. Um, and if I were to place, let's see, if this is, yeah, I mean, I am going to place my order here at the middle of my imbalance with stop losses above the supply zone. It's not the best. Let's have a look at some other markets, right? It's not the best. Look at gold. Gold reacting now, sweeping the lows, sweeping the lows. This is something that's pretty bullish. I'll explain that later. What don't we GBP Japan? Yes, I'm losing money with the long setup. What long setup? Hey Orlando, sorry, but is this GJ's trade still valid from yesterday? Yes, I haven't deleted that order yet. I'm gonna talk about it. I haven't deleted that order. Oh, gold getting crushed. That's fine. So I'm gonna look for a better setup on the S&P 500. Right? Let's look for the S&P 500. Mm, I don't think we're going to get a better setup here. Maybe not. Here's that bearish breaker. Oh, this is so. Right. I mean, let's look for it. Right. Let's look for it. Uh, that's a big ass imbalance right here. So this is that fair value gap that I'm talking about. You know what? I don't see it. So let's look at the Dow. At the Dow. Same thing. I don't see it. So here it is. Actually, yes. Fair value gap. Right the fuck here. So we have that imbalance, right? Um, let's have a look at some OBs. Hey, Orlando, any opportunity on gold buy? If you just joined us, this is my gold buy setup. I'm already long. Here we go. I'm already long. I got long after this week high candle. When I opened my computer, right, I already had missed my the mitigation of the demand zone right here. So I decided to go long from the top of that candles. Yes, I'm long gold, mate. So, oh, hold on, I need to go. All right, I'm back. Emilia Maggio, why are you sorry? Um, yeah, I'm fine. I just have a ton of allergies, mate. Yeah, I have a ton of allergies, and like I told you, I just woke up, 40 minutes ago, and I sleep with AC every night. So the changes in temperature from my room to outside, just triggers my allergies. So yeah, I'm fine. Thank you, though. So, uh, yeah, this is the Dow. I'm gonna go with the Nasdaq on this one, guys. So I am going to look for those targets below. Oh boy, hold on. Let me just delete every single thing here. This is quite fucked. Um, yeah, man. I might target this lows right here. So, let's go back to the 3 minute chart, 5 minute chart entry, 3 minute chart entry. It's much better. Stay true. So, here it is. My Nasdaq short right here. Stop losses above the swing high. Targets all the way down here. 4.79 R. Drink a cup of tea with lemon. Yeah, that would put me that would put me to sleep. Um, and I need to stay awake from for the New York Open, right? But thank you. I'll try that later, man. So this is going to be a long show. I'm gonna stay here until the Open, so that's in about an hour. You can ask me anything. Invite you for coffee. We just need you to vote. Thank you, man. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna go get my second cup of coffee in a little bit. Don't worry about that. So this is my Nasdaq. I'm going to place that Nasdaq, and then we're gonna go watch some cryptocurrencies. And we're gonna watch every single market. We're going to watch how the F1 strategy did today or has done with the Japanese yen. I hope every F1 strategy trader got in on those because that's pretty amazing. So first of all, let me place that Nasdaq, and I'm going to do a little bit of publicity for a company that is not associated with us, but I do think it's the best tool for traders, or the best risk tool for traders. Hold on. All right. This is the thing right here. It's called riskcalculator.app. I don't get paid for for promoting them. I just think that they're awesome and it's extremely cheap. It's like $10 a month, right? Um, so where's the Nasdaq and the X100? And it's quite simple. This is the 4-hour chart. I'm looking at the low time frame, so the 5-minute chart. My entry would be where? At the Yes, at the London breaker. So right here, around this level. No, around this level. So 11,378. And this is the thing with CFDs. You have to be careful with 11,370, 11,3, 11,3, no, 11,400. You have to be careful with CFDs right there. So yeah, 400. So you have to be careful with CFDs because the pricing in CFDs differ from broker to broker. I'm gonna show you very quickly this tool. All you have to do is this, right? Pending order, and you just move this right wherever you want them. For example, if I want my pending order here, right here, my TP here, and my stop loss here, it gives me, or here, it gives me the risk to reward ratio, that's 3.8. It gives me the profit. This is account that tracks our VIP trades, so risking 1%, the volume, and you just click enter, and the trade is set for you. So go get that, for fuck's sakes. The least, the least amount of decisions you have to take when it comes to trading, the better, guys. So, do yourself a favor, spend $10 a month on that. On that. All right. So I'm going to place this trade at the moment. Changa changa, aringa, arimba. So there you go. Pending order. Yeah, pending order. I'm going to place that pending order here. Stop loss above the swing high. I'm going to look at that um, that imbalance right here. And the TP is what? All the way 11 to 11 to 15. So that's a like to, I'll guess a enter. I'm gonna risk 1% too. Enter. Boom. So that's a that's a great one. Um, I'm gonna send that to my fucking VIPs too. All right. So new VIP trade. Uh, US 100. Um, so it's a sell limit. Sell limit for my entries 11,379. I do want to get filled. Stop loss above the string high, which is a 411,412, and TP is at 11,230. All right, so that's what? Let's see. Ooh, that's a 4.5 R right there. Risk 1%. There you go. There you go, my mates. Boom. Yeah. So, any questions about anything that we have done so far? GBP USD 15-minute chart looking for sell entry. James Berry. Why don't we have a look at that? Mhm. Yeah, you're not. I mean, you're not. You're not entirely. Yes, I'm digging this. You're not entire. No, you know what? I wouldn't take myself. I wouldn't take this possible sell entry. Now, couple of things, right? Just have a look at this. Same thing. Sweeping the lows, sweeping the lows, sweeping the lows, right? After that, after the break of the London, I'm sorry, after the break of, here it is, after the break of the London Open, right? You got two sweeps of the lows, two sweeps of the lows. So, um, yeah, I mean, this is a bearish breaker, right? I agree with you. But this, my friend, looks like a manipulation, like an inducement, right? So we got that the Londonization normally does this, breaks with the highs, and then broke with the lows right here. It broke with the lows right here. So that's manipulation, and this is about to go higher. So I wouldn't take a short here. Gold, my friends, now in profits. Well, a break even. Um, yeah, be careful with that. I wouldn't take it. Just, I mean, what you have to do is just to look for what happens, every single day, and you're going to be able to to understand or to look at the patterns, right? The manipulation patterns that you don't want to be part. You don't want to be part of the trap. You're more than welcome, James Berry. That's why we are here. Now let's look at BTC, Bitcoin. I got stopped out of my BTC long-term short right here, which is fine. I'm not looking to trade at Bitcoin or Ethereum at the moment. So we are going to go back up. Crude oil. Now, crude oil. Let's have a look at crude oil. Very nice reversal here in gold. We are up, well, almost at break even myself, which is fine. It's looking good. Actually, my entry was a little higher right here. The, you know. Uh-huh. So let's have a look at some other commodities, crude oil. We're going to have a look at corn. Yeah, I'm just fucking with you. Yeah, why don't you know what? Why don't we do something different and you tell me what you want to do? What are you looking for? And I'll just relax here. Oh, what be? What? We are in the morning in gold. There you go. Beautiful. Boom. Beautiful moving gold. We are good. Now, why don't we have a look at the pound yen, right? I'm still looking for shorts. I'm because I didn't trade the London Open today. I missed this short pound yen. But I'm going to go through this short on the pound yen, nevertheless, because it's quite interesting. Uh, this will do us good as a possible back test. I mean, not back test, but I'm going to show you what I look for whenever I look for, etc., etc., etc. All right. What is about silver? How does it look a buy on the S&P 500? Egotron? Yep. We might be able to look at that. Just a second. You know what? I'm gonna go make myself a cup of instant coffee and I'll be right back, guys. Um, before pre-market. Pre-market is at in 7 minutes. Uh, 1 hour before the open. I'm gonna go through this particular setup in in the pound yen. And I'm going to show you the F1 strategy, how the F1 strategy has performed on this market. The F1 strategy is a trending strategy. So when markets are choppy, you got to stay out with the F1 strategy. But when markets are trending, the F1 strategy is just awesomely powerful. Do you see any long coming in the pound yen? No. I mean, that's not my deal. I don't catch falling knives. I wanna get in on top of that knife and push it down myself. That's what I like to do. All right. So I'm gonna go make myself a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. We're going to go through maybe some possible F1 opportunities for no. Yeah, why not? I'll be right back, guys. Don't go anywhere. And if you go, well, I don't care. All right, I'm back. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I was playing with my dog downstairs and I completely forgot about you. Gold looking very good, mate. Uh, Up 520 pips on Swiss franc yen and still holding. That's awesome, Jerry. That's awesome. I am up 1,000 pips on the pound yen. I'm still holding. No, on the pound GBP. No, on the pound USD. Shit, I'm sorry. Let's see. Yeah, 930 pips. Still holding. This is the trade on the account that tracks the VAPs, groups, trades. Very good. That's a swing trade. Right, so gold rocking. I mean, not rocking, but doing good, doing its thing. That 15-minute candle close on gold, but now we have that bullish. Um, now that we after this 5-minute candle close or 15-minute candle close, I'm pretty happy with that position. So we had a couple of questions. Let's see. If you gave time to explain significance of imbalance, you have to pair it with supply and demand, and or find it can it be traded alone? Herb, that's a great question. I'm gonna go do just that. So imbalances in the market are price inefficiencies. What is price inefficiencies? Let me look for someone. All right. Here's an example of a price inefficiency in the market. Now, um, imbalances are gaps in the market, right? They're very much price inefficiencies, which means that at a given time there were too many, in this case, too many buyers than sellers, which created a gap in the market. Here's that gap. That gap, you can look for it from the previous candle week high to the next candle week low. That area right here is a price inefficiency, right? The market 99% of the times are going to come back towards these inefficiencies to fill them, right? Because the market has to be priced efficiently. So these act like magnets. That's why I use them for entries, for pullback entries. And yes, in order to trade imbalances, the best way to do them is to look for order blocks around them, or the order blocks that created that imbalance, right? Those are the big ass good zones to trade. Now, let's have a look at the F1 strategy, my friends, on the GBP Japanese yen. Now, this is monster F1 strategies. Now, this is the F1 strategy, my friends. This is a strategy that I developed myself, that I trade myself, and pretty happy with how it turns out. As you can see, when the market's trend, like today's on the pound, on the Japanese yen, the strategy is just phenomenal, right? Today's entry on the pound yen was this. This strategy gives you the stop loss positioning, the targets, which are the green lines. The stop loss positionings are the orange lines. It uses a clear. It uses, um, it uses. I'm sorry. How you call this? um, you know what? I'm drawing a blank. Divergence. It uses divergence to pinpoint, momentum. And today's F1 strategy on the pound yen is right now up three, 3.2 3.5 R, and targets were at the 4.21 R. So, yep, this is a semi-automated strategy, right, that I developed myself. It's pretty powerful. Just have a look at this. This would have been a wouldn't have been a F1 strategy per se, but if you would have taken it, right, it would have yield to the lows about 5R. But today's GBP Japanese yen short was an F1 strategy, pretty simple F1 strategy. If the Japanese yen continues to rally, then on Monday, on Sunday, we're going to have another F1 strategy in our trading. So the F1 strategy is something that I developed. If you are interested in learning a semi-automated, um, a semi-automated strategy that yields very good risk to reward ratios and that can be used. I mean, it can be learned by anyone. If even if you don't have, if you don't, if you have been trading not for a long time, I mean, it can be traded by anyone. Which pretty simple, semi-automated in the sense that we have a set number of rules that need to be applied. And if you buy into the strategy, then you get this access to the chat right here, the F1 strategy chat, where where you can chat with me every single day. So the F1 strategy is the one for you guys. I am going to send you the link where you can purchase it, right? Again, oh boy, I didn't send. Yes, I did send it. Uh-huh. Copy the link. And if you are a VIP, you have a 20% discount on the F1 strategy in your traders in your client's account. All right, so there you go. That's the F1 strategy. Let's have a look at what? US dollar Japanese yen. Okay. I don't know. Oh man. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this is a Japanese yen driven market, but remember that we are about to enter the New York session, which means that you have to be careful on what the dollar is doing, and the dollar looks like it's going to go up. Oh boy, that might trigger some gold shorts. We will see, maybe. I don't know. Manipulation. This is highly manipulative. Break of the lows, break of the highs. So, this actually is a short pattern. You might be good. I don't know. We will see. We will see. Uh-huh. We will see. US dollar, Mexican peso. No, we don't have a coupon on the swing trade group. You know what? Let me create one. Yeah, I'll give you a 25% discount. Don't worry. Okay. So let's go back to the actual markets that we want to trade. Here's the New York session. Uh-huh. Let's wait and see what happens, guys. Ooh, I should have. Ah. I should have started the session after. I don't know. I mean, I'm out of content. I don't know what the fuck to talk about anymore. So why don't you guys, let's watch some videos together. I don't know. I mean, this is just a waiting game at the moment. I'm already making money gold long, waiting for this setup to develop. I'm not looking at any more trades myself, but this is going to be good for the closing of the week. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, and I can't even look at my fucking phone because I'm using it as a webcam. So I'm bored. All right. So if you want the coupon, 25% coupon. I'm still holding that DJ order from yesterday, mate. So the coupon is Jan 25 for a 25% discount. This discount applies for any monthly any monthly subscription, either be to the VIP group or the um what? Or the swing trading group. So go ahead. I'm gonna remind everybody. All right, so just a question on how order block can help you make decision. Um, S&P 500, is there any clue entry? No, I mean I am completely just waiting for the pullback on my Nasdaqs. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but that's fine. Just a question: how order block can help you make decision? Well, order block. First of all, what is order block? The order block is an order block is a block of orders. I mean, the order block is a block of orders that piled up to create a break, right? So that's called supply and demand zones, right? And order blocks around imbalances to me are the most profitable entries. And the way that you look for them, it's not that simple. You have to learn how to recognize them, and it takes time, mate. But yeah, I mean, I can do some, wow, gold about to crack. I can do uh, one minute. I was going to tell you something. I don't remember. Sorry, I'm just looking at my gold longs because I am going to remind everybody that how they missed that trade. So, well, yeah, I can do some educational, sessions on this, but it's not going to be, it's not going to be uh, anytime soon. This is, but yeah, go. I mean, you can ask anything about it on this show. Just give me a second. Mm. Uh, uh, uh. Just a second, guys. Give me a second. I'm just writing something on the free group. Oh boy. Son of a bitch. Just a second, guys. I mean, we have time, don't we? All right, so how's up? What is up? Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to keep this show alive. I haven't showered because, as you know, I woke up at 6:30 and directly to my church, so I need to go shower. um, yeah. Here's that imbalanced short in gold, a pretty damn straight up after the bearish breaker. Oof, this would have been good. But you know what? I'm fine with my gold longs at the moment. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and quit it here, being live for 53 minutes. I might go live again for the New York Open, but thank you for joining me, guys. There's a 25% coupon discount coupon for everybody. Um, uh, so use it, and again, cheers.